Hello everybody, my name is not Markiplier, my name is Dion, and I'm playing Destroy All Humans. Oh fuck, I just unplugged the controller, my bad. Humans of the planet Earth be advised while the experience has been upgraded to contain an historical record of the original fuck. So this is a remaster of my favourite game. I used to play this game like all the time when I was little. Oh, I'll be quiet, I'll be quiet.
Gazed up into the night sky and wondered at the possibility of life on other planets? What marvelous beings might exist out there, hands extended in friendship, awaiting the moment when we humans take our first tentative steps into space. What tales will be told of that glorious day when we are first contacted by our brothers from beyond the stars?
Five. All systems go, General. 4.
Come on, baby, show us what you got.
3.
What the hell?
2.
What in the blue blazes is that?
1.
No, wait! Stop the countdown!
Incompetent fool. I should never have sent you.
What's shaking, Pox? You look a little, what's the word, constipated.
Let's just say I hope you turn out to be less of an evolutionary dead end than your predecessor.
You lost me.
Shall I tell you a secret? Few of our people know this, but the DNA patterns in our cloning banks are becoming more and more degraded with each new clone.
That's bad, right?
Only if we want to retain our immortality through cloning.
Of course it's bad!
I sent Crypto-136 in search of a planet we visited many eons ago. A planet seeded with pure Furon DNA. But I lost contact.
Let me get this straight. You sent me, him, Crypto-136, to a hostile planet, and he's disappeared. Maybe captured, maybe even being tortured as we speak.
Well, I wouldn't jump to any conclusion.
I bet you wouldn't. Let me tell you something, Pox. You're a smart cookie. But there's a time for thought, and there's a time for action. And this is one of those times.
Which?
The second one.
Perhaps you're right, 137.
Course I'm right. You kidding me? A cryptosporidium captured by a bunch of monkeys? We gotta go in. We gotta crack some craniums. We gotta rescue me. Him, he's gotta rescue me. I gotta... Brains, man, when do I get to blow things up?
Patience, Crypto, patience. I take your point. Prepare the mothership.
That's what I'm talking about. So, what's the name of this crummy planet?
Our destination. The planet Earth.
Alright. So I guess if this controller works. Oops, I accidentally opened Steam. My bad. Oops, I actually accidentally did something else. Let me just return to the main menu real quick. Sorry, I should have done this before. Alright, I guess I'm not playing controller then. Okay. Oh, so I got the best graphics and still not that good. Oh well. Let's turn subtitles off. Okay. Looks like that alien's about to say bruh. Yeah, that was very cringy. So yeah, as I was saying before, this is a game I used to play all the time when I was little. I just walk around on the PS2, I think it was the PS2 or the PS1, and just kill people, didn't even do missions. I fucking loved it, and I'd bring it to my friend's house and just kill people. Yeah, I don't remember much because I was really, really young, but I'd say this was one of the best games, so I know. Although it hasn't been getting that much fame, so I'm guessing it's not that good. Blue Moon, Blue Moon, feeling alone. No, Chaos. UFO. Yeah, because don't they think like cows are the smartest things in the earth? So they like study the cows. Oof.
Orthobox to Cryptosporidium 137. Come in, Cryptosporidium.
Crypto here. How's the view from the safety of the mothership?
Very funny. Let's just say I'm glad I'm up here and you're down there. Loathsome little planet. Now, Crypto, to ensure this invasion runs smoothly, it is imperative we identify the dominant life forms on this world. Those lactating bovoids are likely candidates.
Yeah, so I think cows are the smartest.
Those foul-smelling gas bags beyond the fence.
Yes, I'm afraid I do.
But they're covered in nipples.
Now, Cryptosporidium. Hey, Crypto, do verify your suit is ready.
Okay, that is very high sensitivity. Okay. I'm gonna go save with this also. Okay, it's still really high. Bro. $19. Right there.
We can peer into the minds of lower life forms via the cortex scan. Rip the belligerent thoughts from their pathetic little brains. Primitive, yet profound. Scan another one. Again with the moo. I think these lactating bovoids are trying to fool us.
They eat with their mouths. I think I'm going to be violently ill. Attention, Earth creatures. This planet is now part of the Furon Empire. Your benevolent masters welcome you. At this time, we wish to abduct you for the purpose of scientific research. The procedure will be protracted and invasive. Do you have any objections? Earth creature, I am addressing you. Respond or be vaporized.
Nice.
I don't care how many stomachs you have. I don't have time for this.
Alright, let's move them.
We Hurons have evolved the astounding power of psychokinesis. Target an object or creature and lift it into the sky. Use PK to finish off the belligerent bovines. Slam them into the ground. Curse these creatures.
Alright,
Martha, you didn't tell me we was having barbecue for dinner.
what the fuck?
Wait a minute, that ain't steak. That's holy mother of Martha. Give me the shotgun.
This looks like a job for the Zapomatic.
My aim is so shit. Yeah, fuck up, bitch.
Extract and collect the brainstem from what's left of the animal interior. Soothe the brainstem and collect the neuron.
Oh, come on back! You gotta see this! They got a talking horse on the TV! I ain't never seen nothing like...
His head is gone.
Little green spaceman!
Look, his head's gone.
Green.
Turn something back to whatever. Okay.
Be merciless. Let none survive.
Evening, Ms. Turnip Seed. We got a call from Farmer Dixon over the other side of the state road. Said he heard some very strange noises coming from over this way.
Little green spaceman!
What is that? A new silo?
Electrocuted it with a big old...
Crypto! That human law enforcement officer is attempting an unauthorized entry of your spacecraft. If those pea-brains were to get their hands on your quantum deconstructor, they could rip a hole in the space-time continuum. Oh, the furority. Vaporize them, Crypto!
No, I'm supposed to use this.
Take a spin in your sausage. Get a feel for the controls and go ahead and start shooting.
Okay.
Destroy all buildings. Leave no trace. Bomb those monkeys back to the Stone Age. Perfect!
Okay, I do remember the game being better than this.
Stay crypto.
Move out, man! Move! I don't know, but I've been told. Joe McCarthy's good as gold.
Oh, great. The human military-industrial complex. We can't allow them to alert their leaders to our presence. Exterminate them. Now!
Open fire!
Crypto, I hereby give you official permission to destroy all humans.
Well, I'm pretty sure I'm ready to open.
North in the bushes.
Or not.
Replenish your sausage shields by training any human being. The humans are making a final push. Wipe them out once and for all.
Let's collect some berries. Right, I can just do this. I don't know. Am I just gonna eliminate them all one by one? Uh-oh, Will Smith. Men in Black. Never
Did you see
mind.
what I saw? You bet your sweet ass I did. What did you see? Little green man in a flying saucer wiping out the best infantry unit in the U.S. Army. Right, good. Me too. Green? Not gray? Don't be a stiff. You know what it means? Absolutely. What? It means the paper's got it right for once. Get on the horn to Silhouette. We've got the worst case scenario. The eggheads were actually onto something? I don't believe it. Believe it. Roswell was only the beginning. The invasion is on.
the earliest days of the Empire, we realized our species was doomed. Eons of waging war on inferior races with unregulated atomic weaponry had mutated our genes. We could not propagate due to our complete and utter lack of genitalia. Fortunately, a Furon ship happened upon Earth on its way back from destroying the Martians. Human society was young and nubile. Sailors on a foreign planet, letting off steam, one thing led to another. Long story short, every human being alive today has buried deep in his genetic code a strand of Furon DNA. Over the eons, we've learned to clone ourselves, but with each iteration, the information degrades, and the results are increasingly unpredictable. The Furon genes in humanity's DNA are ancient, uncorrupted. They represent the future of the Furon race. If only we can get at them. Welcome to my little laboratory. You may not have known this, but I flatter myself to be something of an inventor. In my spare time, I've been developing some truly impressive weapon and ability upgrades. I'd be happy to share them with you. If you've got something for me in trade,
I'm getting this.
you've collected.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave it there. Oops. I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.